Do you think capsaicin cream is just another pain relief cream? Not exactly. Many people assume it simply warms up the skin and that's it. But the reality is much more interesting. This cream contains capsaicin, the natural compound that gives chili peppers their heat, and scientists have discovered that it may help reduce certain pain signals in the body. Sounds surprising, right? Something that makes your mouth burn can actually become a useful tool for relieving discomfort. And that's where things start to get interesting. Capsaicin cream is not used as a food and does not provide significant vitamins or minerals. Instead, it works topically, meaning it is applied directly to the skin. When used correctly, it interacts with nerve endings involved in pain sensation. Over time, these nerve endings become less sensitive, which may help reduce certain types of discomfort. In fact, research published in the scientific journal Pain Medicine has highlighted its usefulness for various forms of chronic pain when used according to proper guidelines. One of its most well known benefits is helping relieve muscle and joint pain. People dealing with discomfort in their knees, back, shoulders, or neck often use it alongside other treatments. My Aunt Yolanda used to tell me that at first she felt a fairly intense warming sensation, but afterward she noticed that her aches were less bothersome during her daily activities. While individual experiences can vary, her experience is consistent with findings reported in several clinical studies. That effect leads us to another important benefit: support in certain cases of arthritis. Some studies have found that capsaicin may help reduce pain associated with osteoarthritis when applied regularly. This does not mean it cures the condition, but it may help some people feel more comfortable when walking, climbing stairs, or performing everyday tasks. As scientists continued to study it, they discovered that it may also be helpful for certain types of nerve pain. We're talking about discomfort caused by damaged or irritated nerves, such as what some patients experience after certain illnesses or injuries. In these situations, capsaicin helps decrease the intensity of pain signals reaching the brain, which may improve quality of life for people who live with these symptoms over long periods. In addition, evidence suggests that it may help reduce excessive sensitivity in specific areas of the body. Simply put, some areas become less likely to overreact to stimuli that normally should not cause so much discomfort. That is why some healthcare professionals consider it a useful complementary tool within broader pain management plans.